I switched off?
Thing with that thing. It's a flipping thing. Right, now it's for the
That's
40.
the second time this week I've actually pressed the stop record button during a crossing closure.
And now it's the 1435-2 Lima 68 East Midlands train service to Leicester.
To the store.
Leicester!
The store.
Let's stop. Tastes like Leicester cheese, I think. Yeah.
There's 411.
Where's me flipping cleaner when I need it? I've made icon cleaner. This is just, ugh. There's even some cubes in there somewhere.
Ugh.
You never know. But that takes the biscuit, Shane. And there.
Jeez.
Here's 411.
Here comes 411 back to Leicester.
156 411 Leicester. For like, ooh, twice today. If 3 times.
No, twice.
To Leicester.
Leicester.
To Leicester, then. Right, 411, do it. You know what you want to do. We want to shut up, and that's what we want. What you want is
there it goes, and I will see you
soon enough.
pretty much. That's it.